if you're trying to get your drawing skills into another level, I suggest you buy one of these. Let me show you why. Hello everyone, welcome to everybody who's visiting my channel for the first time, and welcome back to all my subscribed fans. This is the sketchbook that we have right now, and the name is Leda Art Supply. I don't know if it's the name of the sketchbook, but I will definitely put the link on the description below this video so you guys could check it out. For the size, we have 10 by 7. So this is a really nice size. Okay, I mean, the thing is, you can use it like at home, or you could go almost like whatever you want with it, and it's really flexible. You see, for the little sketchbook, this is my packet sketchbook. I'm almost done with this. I have only like 1 page left, 1 or 2 pages left. And for the pencil I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna use that pencil instead. This is not my favorite pencil, but it will do the job pretty well. And I will show you what I already did from the sketchbook. This is my favorite one. This one is a little bit more expensive than the one right here. So that's my favorite one, but I don't really use it. I just use it when I'm doing YouTube video. But for now, we will just keep using this one. So yeah, for the sketchbook, I already did only like two sketches, like finished sketches. So I leave the first page on empty because I don't know yet what I'm planning on doing with it. I need to do something like that will like looks like something like a cover to reflect what's going to be inside of the sketchbook. I don't know if that makes sense, but you will see when I'm doing it. I will definitely post the video so you guys could see the idea. So this first drawing that I did from this sketchbook is actually, this is the first drawing. So this is the Michael B. Jordan that I did. This one, it didn't actually has the flower into his mouth, but I just like improvised, make it look a little bit like more artistic. So I did that like this. Okay, the objective of the sketchbook, like I said earlier, is to improve your drawing skills. Okay, you gotta have some sort of art supplies, which is including pencils and sketchbook. For the drawing, if you're looking at it right now, you will see some shiny part of it. It's because of the lights coming from different direction. That is not the way it really looks. If I put this closer to the camera, you see it looks a little bit different. It looks nicer, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is my first drawing out of this sketchbook, and then this is my second one. I just finished this. Everybody can see who that is. If you don't know, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, both of those drawings, I didn't do any type of tutorials on any type of like videos. The only video I made for that drawing is a video that I like short video for TikTok. Okay, and yeah, my third drawing going to be this one was Michael B. Jordan, Rihanna. My third one's going to be Post Malone. I really enjoy his music, so I plan on doing him. Okay, using this sketchbook. So far we're gonna have like 3 drawings from that sketchbook, and I will do a sketchbook too for my little sketchbook packet in the future, like soon enough after I post this video, after you see me posting this video, and you will see the next video that's coming up gonna be a sketchbook too for this little sketchbook packet that I have on mine right now. So this one has 99% of the drawing inside of the sketchbook is made out of pen, okay, like ball pen, whatever you call it. And like yeah, most of those drawings, like 99% of it, made out of pen. So I didn't really have access to erase anything, but so yeah, like I said, I will have to make a special video for this so I could explain to you guys everything that's in it, why I did it and everything. So yeah, the reason why, in conclusion, the reason why I buy sketchbook is to do my own little studying, like my own little studying about light and about value. Most of the time I use pen to do that as well. I did it for this one. Now I'm using pencils only into that sketchbook, so I'm gonna use only pencils to fill it out, all the pages, only pencils, most likely mechanical pencils. So to begin, usually when I begin, I don't really do like, I don't really use like any kind of like method. I just start drawing. You know what I'm saying? The objective of creating artwork from my sketchbook, when you have sketchbook, you could go anywhere with this. This is not so big. You can have it like on your bag, wherever you go, or you could use the packet one, the smaller one. Is to do your little art, your little art study, like you study like value. This one, I'm gonna use one pencil for this whole book, for this whole sketchbook. Each of those on sketchbook that I have, I'm gonna use them for something unique, for something different. This one is for one pencil. I'm studying value using only one pencil. Most of the time, I used to do drawings using. I used to do drawings using the grade technique, the grade method. It doesn't have to be like that every time. You don't have to know about only the grade. This is not only like this isn't the only method you could use to draw. There's different, like there's several methods. To draw, to you know you know in order to accomplish like a at least like a portrait, you can use it, but it doesn't have to be like that all the time. If you want something to look more academic, something, if you want your drawing to look like the beginning more academic, you could use like the Longness method. You could use like a Wiley method, Wiley a little bit advanced like the way I see it, but you get the point though. So yeah, I think when I'm making videos for you using my sketchbook, I will have to come up with a little bit of each of them, like Wiley or Learnings, like, and then like a little bit on my own as well, so I could mix them up together so you guys could see, a way to begin your sketches, like your portraits and stuff. So this is the plan. But like I said, you just don't be just drawing because you have the paper and the pencil. Trying to look at your previous ones and try to figure out what did you miss, what did you do wrong, or the proportion. Trying to understand what you're doing too. This will help you a lot. You don't have to be all over the place, and you have to learn something while you're doing it. That is the how can I say, this is the main idea of studying. Like when you study something, even though like it's more like, I mean, if you plan on getting some art classes, it's gonna be different. There will, you would have like a someone tell you what you're doing. But when you do the study by your own, you have to figure out a way, like, to make it work, trying to understand what you're doing. It's different from getting like a tutor. Before you even begin, you could like do a little research about portrait. What is the most efficient, like what is the most easiest like method you could use to draw a portrait. You could do some research about it, because I won't be able to tell you everything in one single video, you know what I'm saying? But if you're really interested into art, getting into art, get your art skills into another level, you will have to be a little bit more, smart about your research, what you really want, what method that works for you better. You have to adopt the kind of method that you see, like when you draw and you feel more comfortable with that. When you begin your drawing using this type of method, you feel like it's getting better. You have to think about, like, okay, you have to, okay, after that you be like, okay, I know this method will give me the closest, the nicest outline that I'm looking for to begin my my portrait. Now I know this mechanical pencil it's good. When I'm using it, I feel like I have more control of it. I feel like I can control my the way I put the pressure on it and everything. And you'll be like, okay, now I know the method that I can use, that I feel more comfortable with. I know the pencil that I need to use. I know this paper is good, and Now I need to figure out a way how to get my drawing, like, rendered like in a way, even if I use only one pencil, it will still be looking nice, because this is the main idea. you know Use only one pencil to make your drawing look realistic as much as you can. So that's the point of me filling out this sketchbook with only one pencil. So you have to get into the darkness and to the light. You have to blend everything together, and you don't have to erase too much. So that's the plan of creating, like, this turning. That's the point of turning with only one pencil. Okay, once you know how to properly use one pencil, and when you get two, you know you feel like you're the god. You feel like you're the god of sketching, because you already knew how to use one pencil properly. And once you have two, you have more options. You could do better, you will do better. You will see that each of them have something specific, and then if you know exactly how to use them, you will be really good at rendering, like, your art, make it looks really smooth, fine, like something really academic. Thank you guys for watching, and like I said earlier, I will do a separate video showing inside the little packet sketchbook that I have on my hand right now, and I will see you on the next video.